Doge is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you're interested in keeping up with my charts as well as my trades, my Telegram channel is absolutely free. Check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Doge, we ended up testing our exponential moving averages, which of course I told you guys in yesterday's video to watch out for. What we wanted to see, of course, was a break structure above the EMAs, which we did see a very nice breakout opportunity, but we have to be very careful in the current state. The reason for that is, yes, we have our exponential moving averages that have broken, but we need a level of retest for the confirmation. If, of course, during Asia hours we get that retest and the market starts pushing back above, a wick break above 0.165 is the long position we are looking for a continuation into 0.168, or of course the wick high at 0.172 if we end up breaking above that region. Now, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, this of course should not have come to a surprise to anyone. I mentioned to you guys the fact that when we ended the short at 0.168 down into 0.149, this was a daily zone. There were tons of buyers waiting for this opportunity, but regardless of that, we of course had news come in today of a ceasefire, which of course the market saw a very nice rally opportunity. This is pretty much where technicals and news played a perfect role in both of these breakout opportunities, but we are not out of the clear just yet. And the reason for that is, if you look here on the daily time frame, we are still in a bearish move set. And yes, I am not joking, still a bearish move set, only because of the fact you can see that we just simply tested our 9 exponential moving average after being extremely oversold. You can see from the daily level we were in the regions of extreme zones, and of course the EMAs were completely over leveraged, which I mentioned to you guys in Telegram as well as yesterday to watch for the EMA retest. Now that we've seen the EMA retest, the reason why the 0.165 level is important is because if we manage to see a nice continuation and then a breakout, we know that if you look on the chart, 0.172, which I just mentioned on the 4-hour interval, would be the top of the 4-hour move set, would also be the 20 exponential moving average. This is where the 4-hour and the daily play a specific role, and this is why you can make an educated guess to understand where exactly levels are going to play before we start seeing any sort of drop opportunity. So that's the level I'm going to be paying attention to. Of course, I would not be looking for a continuation short unless of course we end up losing the wick low, but until then we are simply just waiting for the 4-hour interval on the exponential moving average to see that retest, break back above, enter the long, ride it back into 0.172, and then of course we close our position because the 20 EMA is also there, as well as the fact that this is the top of the move set. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit like, subscribe button. If you guys hope to today, have a wonderful day.